We are now here in this weird looking city, right? City is looking kinda different. A little too dark. Maybe some light will help. Hmm. It's a city. So looking at this map I have on my screen, my friend said if I head this way and let me check. This way, I should arrive at my destination soon. Oh, would you look at that? This isn't my house. What is this? Guess I'll turn around and just go home. Okay, maybe I'll just keep walking and maybe I'll find my way back home. I've been walking for hours and I just can't find my way back home. I just don't. Is that a gate? What is this? What in the area closed? Do not enter. St. Valentine's Hospital. Hello reception. Can I please get a pencil? Boop 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 boop. Hello.
Oh, yes, hello. What do you need?
Oh yes. I'm stuck in this place and I don't know how to get out.
Stand there. Just, we can't help you. Where are you?
I'm at St. Valentine's Hospital.
You're trapped there. Goodbye.
How rude. Didn't even help me. It's the director's office. Yeah, I'm the director. Roll. Get back to class. I mean. Huh. Anyway, time to go down to here. Oh my. Yep, that's an explosion. Whoever was sleeping here did not hide their poop bucket very well. This person didn't have a bed at all. What's this? No sign. What's in here? Interesting. Why did I step into the middle of it? I kill you. Nuh-uh. Ooh, what's this? This is the dentist. You will lay here, and the dentist clamps you to there, cuts your teeth out, and then puts new teeth in, and that's how you get a teeth transplant. What's now this is where Jeff sleeps. See, these are all the times Jeff has peed. No, that's Jeff. Never mind, that's Jeff. Don't be afraid. This is the end. This is the end. It's here. Horror. That's his wife. Man. Jeff was in here for a while. He peed so much. He even peed on the wall. What's this? The bathroom. You pee in the toilet? No toilet? You pee in the bathtub. And they use this to taste it. I don't know. I'm just gonna go off into the distance, kinda like find my way back home, you know, the stuff like that. I've been walking for so long. I seem to have made it to Arizona. I'm just gonna. I see it that. I'm just gonna walk to it. Who am I kidding? There's no road here, it's just sand. Well, I'm just gonna put some coffee into here. I hear stuff. It's a UFO. We gotta take it down. We'll send Tim up there. Tim will take care of us. Tim will deal with it. Tim, take care of this. It didn't work. You know what? I'm just gonna pop. We're back. And I'm taking their Xbox. They'll never get me alive. Ugh. I dropped it. I'm never getting that Xbox back. Hello, the pawn shop. Now, pawn shop. Have you ever met Tim? Yeah, I don't think they met before. I know everybody has been asking the age-old question. What happens if you fill a house with Moab missiles? Well, the game crashes. That's it. I'm done with this. God, this sucks so bad.